Good morning, happy Wednesday. Oh my gosh, how are you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, now I understand why the weather's been so weird. We are in the midst of Hurricane Erin, and she is everywhere. And it would kind of explain a few things and a few stories. Not even stories, but things that have happened in the past few days. And number one, if you're a beach person, they are recommending nowhere near. Like if you're going to go swim in a pool. You know, consider your swimming, beach swimming, done. Because she's wicked right now. Her undertows are, extremely strong, and just the ocean is not safe. So keep your butt, pick a pool, indoor. I'd say indoor pools too, because the weather is awful. This is going to be this way for the next 2 days, and it's rainy. Not now yet, but it's going to be this way. So definitely watch yourself, which is kind of sad. Came a little late for a few people. It will come a few days late for some people, and just definitely keep an eye on your weather and keep an eye on what's going on. It's sad. But let's get on to what's happening now. Just definitely take care of yourself and enjoy your day. Be well, be safe, and just be. And like I said, keep an eye on your weather. You never know. Okay? Mwah, mwah, mwah. You never know, guys. Please keep an eye on your weather. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.